Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wacky Wednesday. Why? I don't know. I just have fun. Last night, I did something I did quite a while ago, and I wanted to treat Robin. I did pasta with spinach and green peas. It was good. It was good. This could be great like in the winter, like we're at right now, or in the summer. Robert and I were talking this morning over coffee that this would be a nice little, like either cold or room temp little snack or lunch. Try it. I used baby spinach. You know how baby spinach just goes down to, I could have added the whole bag, I think, honestly. So yeah, try it. Have fun with it. Make it your own, but try it as written first. Yeah. All right. Today, the Culinary Expedition. We're in Angola. I don't know much about Angola other than, food. Tonight, I'm making Muamba de Galinha stew. Let's get to it. And we've got some chicken. I'm going to be using coconut oil, chicken broth, onion, jalapeno. This is a Chinese eggplant. Winco did not have at that time standard American or English eggplant or French eggplant, whatever they call it, regular eggplant. Garlic, okra, butternut squash, tomatoes, Roma style, and some lemon juice. I'm going to be doing a little bit of research. Did I mention garlic? I don't know. I'm going to be doing some more research today on the primary or secondary chili powder in Angola. Right now I'm just putting cayenne in its place. Kosher salt, and this will be served over long grain white rice. So how was your Taco Tuesday? Did you have tacos? Yes? No? Maybe? You know what I had. So on this wacky Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.